absolutely the best I've ever had.
I'm stoked because we are going to be making one of the most popular and well-loved dishes, the mango sticky rice. Nong is going to teach us how to make sticky rice. The chef at Sparrow's Cafe. You're the chef here. Yeah. You make everything here.
5 hours. 5 hours in the night time, and you put sticky rice in the water. And like really good when cooked in the morning.
Oh.
You want this to wash?
You wash.
Yes.
Oh, so you have the water here?
Yeah. Steam.
And steam. Oh.
Yes, you steam first.
Yes. 30 minutes.
Fresh coconut milk.
Yeah, fresh coconut.
Ooh. Wow. Wow. It's so creamy.
Amphawa. You can.
Ampua.
You
Oh,
know,
it's
have
still
this,
good? Ah, okay.
What?
So this is the really fresh coconut milk that she just
That's
used.
like
but
bottled.
Ampua sounds like it's a good enough brand to use. You can cut it with it.
A bit of both.
Yes.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Oh, 1,000 grams. And sugar?
650 grams.
650 grams.
650 grams. Woo!
I got sweet.
That's why it's so sweet.
2 to 1 ratio, a little more. Very good.
You want salt?
Oh, a little salt?
1 spoon tea. Oh, I forget.
Wow. 30 minutes.
Yeah. And sticky like 2 kilo.
2 kilo.
Ah.
Wow.
And you 1 kilo. For me 1 kilo.
Pandan leaf.
Ah,
For make
these
it
are
smell
the
good.
pandan.
Yeah.
Oh.
And cook with the sticky rice and make it smell very good when eating. You can try to smell.
You can also make sticky rice with like a pandan extract, and it actually makes it green and probably has a little bit of a stronger flavor. So now we just gotta wait for the milk to condense, or not condense, like concentrate.
Yeah,
Reduce.
I think it just reduces a little bit. I think they leave it pretty liquidy still. It's not like a syrup, but yeah, and the rice to steam for 30 minutes.
Still a little tired.
Sticky light inside.
And mix. Okay.
These are 10 minutes. For
10 minutes to soak in.
And
It smells so good.
yes.
So it's just soaked. Okay. And rest. And you make this?
Yes.
Concentrate coconut milk. Yeah.
ใส่เกลือนิดนึง
And she adds some salt in
ซอสแล้วก็ใส่แป้งนิดนึง
and a little flour.
แป้งข้าวเจ้าอ่ะ
Yeah,
Có xong
make
nám
it
à?
thicken.
Yeah.
a little bit
Wow. Beautiful. See the heart of the sticky rice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Ever seen the mango seed? Yeah, the kids like the seed. They like to bite.
Well, yeah,
like
you
dogs
can
are
get
bite
everything.
bone.
Right around.
They like it. Yeah, they like to do that.
Okay. So good.
Go for the sweet mango first. Absolutely the best I've ever had. The salt, just like the little bit of salt she puts in, which makes all the flavor of the coconut come out in the mango. So this is like a different kind of mango or just a green mango?
I think a different kind. It's a totally different variety.
Different variety. Oh man. I might like that one more. It's just slightly more acidic. This one's like really deeply sweet. This one has a brightness to it. Maybe a bit more of a firmer texture. That rice is just insane though.
The rice was still so hot. Oh, that's so good. This looks like a lot, but they said we could have refills, and I might totally take them up on that. Probably later, though.
Yeah. 2 kilos?
2 kilos of rice that she cooked, so everyone's having sticky rice today. So today is a holiday, and it's a very auspicious day because it's the day Buddha was born, had enlightenment, and died. Happy birthday, congratulations, and rest in peace. So, it's a holiday, things are closed, and we enjoy sticky rice. This is like a whole nother meal of just mango sticky rice. Like, yeah, I'm literally gonna fall over.